And now, boys and girls, we're going to end our trip by flying back home to the United States. And you can get your stamp for your United States passport when we're done. So let's talk about Christmas in our country, the USA. Hi, I'm Santa Claus. I'm going to take you on a trip to show you how we celebrate Christmas in the USA. Come with me. On Christmas Eve, I fly on my sleigh and go down chimneys to leave toys for good girls and boys. I'm just about to go to Anna's house. Let's go. Phew! Now I can unload presents for Anna. And oh, look, she left me cookies and milk. This has always been my favorite tradition. Don't mind if I do. Would you like to see some of the traditional Christmas dinner foods? Some foods we eat for Christmas dinner are turkey or ham, mashed potatoes, gravy, stuffing, biscuits, cranberry sauce, corn, and sweet potatoes. Let's take a closer look at some of them. All right, up here in the top corner, turkey or ham. A lot of people have turkey or ham. Mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce. I just filled Anna's stocking. Do you know what a stocking is? It's a large sock that can be filled with small gifts and sometimes candy. See the stuffed bear poking out? Singing Christmas carols or Christmas songs is a fun tradition. Some people go door to door while others may sing with family at home. Many people go to church on Christmas Eve and celebrate the birth of Jesus. Another American tradition is to put up lights around houses. Sometimes people will drive around neighborhoods and look at Christmas lights for fun. My family did this when I was growing up. Miss Norad's family did that, and I still like to do that today. Off to my next destination. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. So that is Christmas back home in our own country of USA. And of course, we put up a Christmas tree as well and decorate it. That's also something very popular that we do. And some of the special desserts that we have. A lot of people have special Christmas cookies, gingerbread men cookies, gingerbread houses, which we borrowed from Germany. A lot of people make special cakes or pies. My favorite is fudge. My mom would always make Christmas fudge. So if you've never had fudge, that's good too. There's lots of candy canes. Lots of chocolate is very popular. So lots of sweet desserts around Christmas as well. I hope you enjoyed coming back to our country. Your passport is now complete. You have visited all the countries. And boys and girls, I sure hope you have enjoyed a look at Christmas around the world in some other countries. See you later. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.